Doing?
Working on the car.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because the brakes are not working.
Oh, what happened?
What happened is the brakes when I was parking and it won't stop, and then the lights flashed. So I went home and bring my glass of my light and fix all that. And then now fix my brakes. My brakes used to work for a little while.
Oh.
It's kind of weird. It's kind of strangey and dangerous.
It's dangerous?
Yeah.
No, you don't want to drive it if it's dangerous.
No. I'm like, I gotta call my mom and help me out.
You jacked it up pretty good there.
Yep.
That way you can work on it, huh?
That would be much easier.
That way you can see what you're doing, huh?
Yep. That way I can see what I'm doing.
Good job.
And all the wheels are all up the sky.
Yeah?
Yeah, because this basketball thing makes it all the way up, and that team makes it like
Easy to get to?
Can you see? Well, wait.
Oh.
Can you see these? Can you see these? Can you see these wheels?
Huh?
Can you see these wheels?
Yeah.
They're all the way up to the sky, and those back wheels are up to the sky. And in the middle is the brake. So you gotta fix that.
Good job.